Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK and I am here to do a kit reveal video for the Freckled Fawn August 2019 embellishment kit. So I am on the Freckled Fawn design team. I'm just going to open this up. I am on the Freckled Fawn design team, which does mean that I will get sent these products every month for some videos using them. And this kit here is the August 2019 kit. So I'll take you through what you get. Now, Freckled Fawn do the pocket page traveller's notebooks, which are these. So these are a traveller's notebook system with the plastic inserts instead of the traditional traveller's notebook paper inserts. So what happens with these, these papers are designed to fit inside these plastic pockets, but you can change it up and use these the printed papers for any crafts at all. So I'll take you through the papers that we get this month. So you get 2 of each design and they're double-sided. So we have this blue with white stars, and then this peachy coral colour on the back. Then we have this pencil design and this awesome heart design on the back. Then we have this polka dot, oh these are mixed up, with a grid with a bit of a rainbow on the bottom. And then we have this reddy orange chevron and a plain white one with yay on the bottom. I'll just move those into shot for you. So these are the papers that you get in the August kit. Now obviously this is designed to, well, this paper here specifically is, I think, is designed to be aimed to for back to school layouts. I don't have any children, so I won't be using that, but I do have nephews and nieces that will be going back to school soon here in the UK, so I'll probably use it for that. So the kit comes with an alpha every month. So this month we have this red with white text. I love the font on this, and the font is actually bigger than some of the other ones that we've had before, I think, or I might just be imagining it. So we've got the red with the white font. Then you also get, these are great, you also get 2 sheets of the washi strips. So for me, washi tape just seems to multiply in my craft room. This is a great way to be able to have some washi and actually get it used. So as I said, you get 2 of the same sheets, and these coordinate with the papers as well. So again, for me, I can see there's some school theming in here, but not enough to not be able to use it for other events as well. I love this rainbow one. And then we've got this yay, which matches the blue paper. Just some real, and we've got the polka dot, which matches the polka dots on there as well. So we've got some lovely washi strips there. Then we also have the label stickers. So you get a pack of label stickers every month as well. I'm just going to take these out of the packaging. I love these ones. Again, that rainbow one. We've got a 2019 here. Take note. These are great to add date stamps on too. So a packet of the label stickers. Then the wood veneer this month is, or are, these cute little wooden pencils. Again, great for back to school layouts, or they could be used for if you're creating a layout about something creative like painting or being artistic, then you could use these for that. Or if you're if you do a book club and you're documenting the books you're reading, then that would work for that as well. So there's so many different ideas that you can use the wood pencils for. Now they aren't too thick either, so if you're going to add them in to your traveller's notebook, then they won't bulk it out too much. So I believe, see, I've got some wood veneer. I've got 2 wood veneer in here. I've got one here. I've got another one here. I don't have any on that one, and you can see that it still stays quite flat. So there's no worry about bulking it out too much. It's not going to take masses, but I think there were 5 in there already and it's still quite slim. So I do like the thickness of these for that reason, but they are still sturdy. So you get those. And then the final thing in this kit are the enamel dots. So this month they are in greys, which is one of my favourite colours, this tealy turquoise colour, this orangey, mustardy orangey colour, and this blue. So really lovely kit, really usable, and I will be back with some process videos with using this kit. Stay tuned. Bye.